I spent 30 days trying different passive income hacks, and honestly, the results surprised me. We've all heard about making money while you sleep. It sounds brilliant, doesn't it? But is it really that easy? Or is most of it just talk? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what worked for me, what didn't, and what you should know before you try building passive income yourself. Why I did this? I've always been fascinated by the idea of money working for me rather than me working for money. Because let's face it, most of us trade time for a salary. We work, we get paid, we stop working, the money stops coming. But passive income flips that around. It's money that, at least in theory, keeps flowing whether you're working, relaxing, or even sleeping. The problem? Most people don't know where to start. Others waste years chasing methods that don't work, and some people just end up more broke than before. So I wanted to find out for myself which strategies are worth it and which ones are just smoke and mirrors. Common misconceptions. One of the biggest misconceptions about passive income is that it's easy. People think it's a one-time setup, like pressing a button that spits out money forever. But the truth is, it's rarely that simple. Almost every method I tried took effort up front. Some needed money to start. Some needed hours of trial and error. And here's the hardest part. Progress feels painfully slow at first. You can put in weeks of effort and see almost nothing. And that's why so many people give up. Passive income is possible, but it's not effortless. The challenge most people face. Another challenge is simply knowing where to begin. Do you invest in property, start a YouTube channel, build a website, put money into dividend stocks, try something like Airbnb? The internet throws thousands of options at you, each one claiming to be the best. It's overwhelming. And I'll be honest, I spent days just filtering through advice, courses, before I even chose what to test. So here's what I did during my 30-day experiment. I tested 5 different approaches. Affiliate marketing, creating a simple website, promoting products, and earning a commission when people bought through my links. Online courses, designing and selling a course based on skills I already had. Dividend stocks, investing in companies that pay regular dividends. Peer-to-peer lending, lending money to individuals online in exchange for interest payments. Airbnb, renting out a spare room and seeing if it could count as passive. Each of these had pros and cons, and not all of them lived up to the hype.
What worked and what didn't? Affiliate marketing actually impressed me. I built a simple website, promoted a few products, and the commissions started coming in quicker than I expected. Online courses had real potential too, but they needed much more upfront work before the returns became worthwhile. Dividend stocks was steady, but slower than I hoped. Peer-to-peer lending was disappointing. And Airbnb did okay, but it required more ongoing effort than I'd call passive.
Key lessons. So, what's the big takeaway? Passive income isn't really passive. It takes effort, patience, and a willingness to fail and adjust. Not every method works for everyone, but the ones with low upfront costs, room to scale, and the ability to be automated, like affiliate marketing and online courses, showed the most promise. And here's the key. Don't try everything at once. Pick one strategy, learn it properly, and stick with it long enough to see results. Because most people don't fail from lack of opportunity. They fail because they give up too early. Curious question. Let me ask you this. If your income doubled next month, what's the first thing you'd do with the extra money? Would you invest it? Would you save it? Or would you spend it straight away? Your answer might tell you more about your financial future than you think. So, what about you? Have you tried building passive income? What worked for you and what didn't? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear them. And if you found this video useful, give it a like, it really helps. Make sure you subscribe because in the next video, I'll be breaking down the 2 strategies that worked best in my 30-day test and showing you exactly how you can start them yourself. Until then, keep learning, stay patient, and remember, it's not about quick wins, it's about building something that lasts.
If this message feels close to your heart, that's not a mistake. It's your inner voice telling you it's time for a change. Maybe you're tired of working hard and still feeling stuck. Tired of money coming in and going out with nothing left behind. The good news is you don't have to stay in that cycle. You don't need special skills. You don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or check the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?